Flashcards are a popular study tools. They are used for memorization and learning through spaced repetition, which is a technique where information is reviewed at increasing intervals to enhance long term memory retention. They are traditionally small, physical cards that have a question, term, concept, or image on one side and the answer or explanation on the other. Flashcards are used across various educational fields, from language learning to complex subjects like medicine and law. They're not just only used in education. I use them very routinely when I'm interviewing people. I have some flashcards available where I have questions at one side and some of the keywords to ask from the person who I am interviewing. The simplicity and versatility of flashcards make them an effective learning method. They can be used for self study or in a group setting, and they cater to different learning styles by incorporating visual, auditory, kinesthetic elements, especially when learning engage with them actively by writing, drawing, and speaking. With the advancement in technology, digital flashcards have become really popular. These are available on websites and mobile apps, offering features like automatic spaced repetition scheduling, multimedia integration, which primarily allows you to include images, audio, and video, and also interactive learning. Digital platforms can also provide a vast community created pool of flashcard decks, enabling users to share resources and learn collaboratively. So, this is where this Flashcasts, which is an AI powered tool to generate flashcards for popular exams, miscellaneous topics, subjects, and lot of other things, seems quite handy to me. If you go through the website of this creator, his writing style is quite good. He just said that he wanted to study biochemistry and Spanish while digging holes in his garden, and that is why he created this. The good thing about is that there is a free version and then there is a paid version too, where you can even subscribe for life, or you can just go on the subscription method. Okay, so the things and he has tried to keep it as cheap as possible. That is why you can see that the interface of the website is not something to write home about, but still it works, which is great. For example, if you want to learn, let's say, computer science, so let's click on computer science here, and then there are some flashcards, as you can see here. You can even just take it to your podcast player, whatever podcast player you are using, and then it will play it off. So for example, if I click on episode 18, which has 25 cards, and it was just added. So, and the question is that define polymorphism in object-oriented programming. Let me play it.
Define polymorphism in object-oriented programming. Ability of different classes to respond to the same method call in different ways. Define Internet of Things IoT. Network.
So you can see that it is playing it in a very easy and slow pace, so you can just learn about it, and then you can also download it from here. Now if you sign up, you can create your own flashcards. You just have to put the feed in, and then from there you can start using it. So when I click on new feed, there are, for example, you want to learn, let's say, let's select something like the best words. Let's do this, and then save deck. There you go. So you can just go to my flashcast, and then you can start learning from it. For example, these are all the best words. You can delete them, you can add them, you can set your settings, and you can put it on your podcast player, and it will start running. How cool is that? Now as far as pricing is concerned, you can see that it is just $123 for life, or just $4 per month. So if you're really into it, you can't live without flashcards. I think this is one good tool which really looks good, and author has generally tried to help out. So the effectiveness of flashcards lies in their ability to engage active recall, retrieving information from memory. In other words, provide immediate feedback and facilitate spaced repetition, and then AI takes it to another level. And these aspects are fundamental to efficient learning and memory consolidation, which makes flashcards a timeless and adaptable learning tool. That's it guys, let me know what do you think. I'll drop the link to this website in video's description. Try it out, let me know how you go. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.